Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create an estimate invoice. An estimate is a quotation that is created for a patient to give them an indication of how much a treatment or procedure will cost. The quotation or estimate can be used to get authorization from the medical aid or for private patients to have an idea of how much they will have to pay for the treatment or procedure. The content of this tutorial video consists of the following information: how to create an estimate, and how to save and close. From the diary screen, click on the desired booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Invoice button. The Invoice Details screen will open. Please note, a temporary invoice will open by default. For more information regarding on how to get to the invoice screen, please refer to the invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. Let's go over how to create an estimate. Create an estimate allows the user to create a new estimate invoice from the invoice screen. Click the Estimate Invoice checkbox to mark the invoice as an estimate. Marking an invoice as an estimate will prevent the user from submitting the estimate or quotation to the medical aid as a claim. An attention pop-up will appear to ask the user if they would like to create a new estimate invoice from the temporary invoice. Click on the No button to ignore the request and to close the pop-up. The invoice will not be marked as an estimate. Click on the Yes button to create a new invoice which is marked as an estimate. The pop-up will close automatically and the invoice number will change to an estimate invoice number. Please note, a new invoice will be created with a new document reference number with an EST prefix. For more information on where to access the temporary invoices, please refer to the temporary invoices user manual linked in this video's description. The checkbox will be marked with a white tick in a blue checkbox. An estimate name text field will appear and the user is able to give the estimate a name. Click on the estimate name field and input a name for the estimate so that it can be easily referenced back to. Please note that the name of the estimate will appear on the estimate printout. For more information regarding the estimate printout, please refer to the estimate printout user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that once the invoice has been marked as an estimate, the Post Only button will change color to yellow. This is to indicate that the invoice is marked as an estimate. The user will capture and finalize the estimate just as they would do a regular invoice. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, let's go over the Save and Close button. The Save and Close button allows users to save the information on the estimate and close the invoice screen to return to the main diary screen. Click on the Close button to close the invoice screen without saving. Please note, if the user edits or adds invoices, there will be an attention pop-up to warn the user of unsaved changes. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on the Cancel button to return back to the invoice screen. Click on the OK button to close the invoice screen without saving. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu. A sub-menu will become available with save options. The following buttons will be explained. The Save button saves the content of the estimate without closing the screen. The Save Lines to New Macro allows users to save all the lines on the estimate as a billing macro in billing settings. For more information regarding saving lines to new macro, please refer to the billing settings user manual linked in this video's description. Estimate Accepted allows the user to accept the estimate. Once the patient advises that they are happy with the items that have been added to the estimate invoice. For more information regarding the detailed explanation of how to accept an estimate, please refer to the Acceptance of Estimate Invoice user manual linked in this video's description. Estimate Rejected allows the user to mark the invoice as rejected as the patient has declined the estimate's invoice. Click on the Save and Close button to save the content of the estimate invoice and close the invoice screen to return to the main diary screen. Please note that for future reference, the estimate can be accessed from the Account Details screen. For more information regarding where to view the estimates on the Account Details screen, please refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description.